So after completion of this week's syllabus, then today we are going to discuss some exercise bits. So ideal and non-ideal solutions and colligative properties. Actually these exercise bits are already sent to your WhatsApp group along with videos. So then first one is exercise 1, ideal and non-ideal solutions. So now, the bit number 33 is the bit number 33. What is the bit? In a mixture of A and B, components show negative deviation when. Okay, so then negative deviation when. Okay, so now, for example, let us consider a liquid A and B. What is a liquid? So then liquid A and liquid B. What is liquid A and liquid B? So now in liquid A, AA interactions, inter-attractive forces are interactions. So then AA interactions or BB interactions. What is AA interactions or BB interactions? So then for example liquid A combines with liquid B, it gives liquid AB. What is liquid AB? Liquid AB. So now in liquid AB, AB interactions are AB. Okay, now so AA interactions or BB interactions are stronger. What is stronger? So it means stronger. So stronger than what is AB interactions. So simply it is AA interactions or BB interactions are greater than AB interactions. What is AB interactions? So now this type of solutions show what is positive deviation. What is positive deviation? Because the vapor pressure of the A or the vapor pressure of the B, it is greater than expected vapor pressure of the AB with respect to Raoult's law. So then this type of solutions or liquids show positive deviation. What is a positive deviation? What is a positive deviation? But according to the question, what is when negative deviation are shown by the liquids? For example, liquid A and liquid B, liquid A interactions, so that is AA interactions or BB interactions, AA interactions or BB interactions are weaker than, so that is weaker than AB interactions. What is AB interactions? So simply AA interactions or BB interactions are less than AB interactions. What is AB interactions? So it means vapor pressure of the A liquid or vapor pressure of the B liquid is less than vapor pressure of the AB liquid. So now this type of liquids or solutions show the what is negative deviation. What is negative deviation? So it is the answer. When the liquids are shown negative deviation, AA interactions or BB interactions are weaker than. So what is weaker than AB interactions? So now the first option is the answer. What is first option? AB interactions is stronger than AA and BB interactions. So it is simply, it also written as, so then AB interactions is greater than AA interactions or what is BB interactions. Both are same. This one and this one both are same because it is less than, it is the greater than. So it is the bit number 33. So now next one is bit number 34. Which of the following liquid pairs show a positive deviation from Raoult's law? So which of the following liquid pairs show a positive deviation from Raoult's law? So actually positive deviation shown by what is best example of ethyl alcohol and N-hexane. What is, so then question number 34. Okay, so then deviation positive deviation shown by, what is positive deviation shown by, first example is ethyl alcohol and N-hexane, normal hexane. So then what is ethyl alcohol? C2H5, what is OH, plus hexane, it is the C6H14 is the hexane. Why? Because this mixture show the positive deviation, because in ethyl alcohol molecules intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present. So then in ethyl alcohol, which type of intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present in what is ethyl alcohol? So intermolecular hydrogen bond present in ethyl alcohol. So the next one is according to question number 34 with respect to options, benzene and methanol. What is benzene and methanol also show the positive deviation. So now second example is benzene, so that is C6H6 benzene plus methanol, what is CH3OH is the methanol, CH3OH methanol. So C2H5OH is ethanol, ethyl alcohol. CH3OH is methanol, it is methyl alcohol. So in this methyl alcohol also intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present. So these two are the examples of positive deviation. So same as the mixtures show the negative deviation shown by first one is acetone and chloroform. What is acetone? It is CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone plus chloroform. What is chloroform? CHCl3 is the chloroform. Now second example is acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus ethers. So what are the ethers? ROR. So in ROR, R is alkyl, it is also alkyl. Two alkyl groups are present. So then next example is, best examples is chloroform. Okay. So then next example is chloroform. What is chloroform? CHCl3 plus ROR. What is ROR? So next one is best example of negative deviation, CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone plus C6H5, what is NH2. So it is the aniline, C6H5NH2 is the aniline. So same as, so the mixture of nitric acid and water also show the negative deviations. So then 34th question answer is benzene and methanol. What is benzene and methanol? This mixture is show the positive deviation, remaining are negative deviations. Okay, so then next one, question number 35. if liquid A and B form ideal solution, if liquid A and B form ideal solution, so then what happens? First option is the enthalpy of mixture is 0, the entropy of mixture is 0, the free energy of mixture is 0, the free energy as well as entropy of mixture are equal to 0. So then generally ideal solutions, what are ideal solutions means the solution which contains two or more solutes, the solution which contains two or more components, this solution which obey Raoult's law, which obey Raoult's law at all temperatures and concentrations. This solution is known as ideal solution. So generally in ideal solution, what is bit number 35 in ideal solutions, ideal solutions, okay. So ideal solutions which obey the Raoult's law. So according to ideal solutions, so then change in enthalpy delta H mixture, okay, change in enthalpy delta H mixture is equal to 0, same as change in volume mixture, so delta V mixture also equal to 0. It means what is the enthalpy of mixture is 0, the enthalpy of mixture, change in enthalpy 0 as well as change in volume. So then volume of mixture is 0 is called ideal solutions. So similarly non-ideal solutions, non-ideal solutions. So in non-ideal solutions, so enthalpy change, that is delta H mixture is not equal to 0. What is not equal to 0? Same as delta V mixture also not equal to 0. Not equal to 0.